Harold from Ask the Motor Guy, and I am going to talk a little bit about this fantastic motorcycle rider. This is from Trailmaster, and this has got to be one of the most fun type of bike that we have had down at the shop. I personally have ridden this bike, not this particular one, but one just like it, and it's just a blast. And let me tell you some of the cool things about it. First thing is, it's simple. 200, what it has is a typical engine that you'd normally find on a go-kart, except what's different is it's been strapped to a dirt bike. Now, what's nice about that is that you get a really nice weight to power curve, and this thing is super easy to start. When you buy it and you get on it the first time and you try to start it, it's got a large oversized handle that is part of the recoil right there. And what you'll also see is that you can put this machine on choke, pull start it, fires right up usually, and then take the choke off and the engine started. It does not have electric start, but you really don't need it. The maintenance on it is your straight 30 weight oil with like a Q16 Denso and a typical air filter that you're going to find at any number of lawnmower shops. The machine itself, and what makes it different than a lot of the machines that you see at box stores, has shocks in the front, and when you're looking at it over here, it has shock suspension in the back. You're not riding a hardtail here. You're riding a bike that can take up to about 300 pounds in weight and still pull the individual that is riding it without any problems. If you notice in the back right here, you've got full disc brakes, and you've got just pegs along the bike itself and the frames. It makes it very comfortable to sit on, and it's very comfortable to ride, especially when you're riding on it and you look at the size of the seat. The seat makes all the difference. You're sitting on this, you got your arms comfortably spread on the handlebars, and you can ride. The machine does have a stator, so you have 12 volts while the engine's running. We've had people actually buy these and hook up LED lights, effect lights, have the reds and the blues and the greens and all sorts of fun stuff going on underneath them, but you can wire right into the 12 volt. It's possible to throttle this down so that less experienced people don't have too much power, but the secret to this particular dirt bike and what makes it just a pleasure to drive is that it has the same kind of CV drive system that you'd find on a go-kart. Now, a typical go-kart is going to have a lot of weight. There's a go-kart right behind this unit, and it has the same size engine as this, and it has the same belt drive system. It's called a torque converter. Now, what that does is that gives you the maximum amount of torque, and then as the engine is revved up and the speed is increased, it transfers that torque to speed. So you get the best of both worlds with this system. You get really good takeoff torque for like going up hills and over things, but at the same time, this machine will get up to its maximum RPM rev, and it's just a thrill to ride. It's got front and back pegs, if you notice that. And then behind the belt drive, it goes to that chain drive on the back rear sprocket. I'm really, really pleased with this machine. We have sold a boatload of them. It's from Trailmaster. It's called an MB200. Trailmaster actually has another one that we'll be doing a review on pretty soon. That's even an upgrade from this one because it has front and rear brakes and some other neat add-ons. But this has been a great mainstay motorcycle that we've had at our shop for a real long time now, and I'm hoping to have it here for a long time after this. So if you're looking and you're at your dealer and they have an MB200, this is really worth considering. It'll take anybody from your teenager to a full-size adult with ease, and it'll pull you, and you'll really get many years of enjoyment. They're easy to maintain, they're easy to ride, they're easy to control, and I just like it all the way around. Again, that is from Trailmaster. It is the MB200, and I think you should really consider it for yourself to take out and enjoy the outdoors a little bit. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, be sure to like us, subscribe, share this, buy something at the store, come by and visit us. just comment, help us out, because we have a traditional shop that we've had for many, many years, and we are now really trying to share on the internet, and it only works with you guys. So please subscribe. And